this is Alicia Duffy with TeamDuffy Real Estate. I am out in front of 2048 Knights Court in Allen. I am in Custer Hill Estate. Okay, so this property, as you can tell, it's a cul-de-sac, which is nice, but it is on a busy street. So, need some chimes going in here. It's listed at $285, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2018 square feet, built in 1998. So it looks good for the bathroom. So we're separated from the master, which is good. This property has been on the market for a long time. And I'm assuming it is because of that road. Let's see, it's sitting at 249 days on the market. But Custer Hill is a great community. It's got award-winning schools, Beverly Elementary. It has community pool. I've got everything on my website about Custer Hill. If you're thinking about this area, not even for this home, but for any other ones, there is right now about 9 properties for sale in Custer Hill Estates. We've got a couple that just had a price reduction, and like I said, that one on Camelot that is coming soon. We have a couple of new ones on Londonderry. Let's see, so it looks like it needs, well, if you like brass, then it doesn't need updating, but who likes brass nowadays? Well, they got one silver. Probably should have matched that. Another a little bit. The closet. Pretty compact. Looks like the water is just oh boy. Wow. It hasn't sold yet. Why hasn't somebody just grabbed this off the market? I think I'll let the HOA know. We need to fix that. I hope I can just get worked out. Oh yeah. I do like the countertops. The little bench. Gas stove. Stainless steel. I like all that. But if you want to see this property or any of the other ones in the Plano area, give me a call and I'll show you the one that's okay. Here we are. This is the property that is coming soon. It's 2021 Camelot Drive. It's going to be listed at $299, 1871 square feet. It says it has new stainless steel appliances and play yard, new paint. So once I get some pictures up and going, I'll link to those. They didn't want videos done of the inside, so if you want to take a look at this property, let me know. I can usually show you within a few minutes. 214-682-5009. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.